Yesterday afternoon, Friday, September 2nd, a CBS reporter named Hannah Chang-Pong tweeted out that a Clinton insider told her that at least some of Clinton's staff was resigning in the wake of yesterday's release by the FBI over worries that Clinton may drop out of the race. The tweet was quickly taken down as Ms. Chang-Pong had perhaps not fully recognized that CBS supports Clinton. It does not release damaging stories about her until forced to do so to maintain some semblance of competition with their peers NBC and ABC. Here's a screenshot of the actual tweet. Source inside Clinton camp. Staff resigning and worries of Hillary dropping out after FBI release. The tweet went out at 15:09 yesterday afternoon. Here is Hannah's Twitter profile. She's been with CBS for 7 years. It looks like that's Hannah in the green next to Clinton. However, her LinkedIn profile is much more interesting. She graduated from Northwestern University in 2011 and went to work for CBS Radio News. After 6 months, she jumped up to 60 Minutes. She was quickly snapped up by David Rhodes, president of CBS, and worked as his assistant for 2 years and 5 months. Then she moved up to associate producer and has done that for the last 2.5 years. So the bottom line is that Hannah has been around for a while. She works hard and is trusted, especially by folks she has gotten to know on the Clinton campaign. She obviously was told something by a Clinton campaign buddy which she knew was newsworthy and tweeted it out. In other words, yes, this is real news from the real inside, and Hannah is a real reporter.
There are two significant newsworthy revelations in the report that we saw today, which did not coincidentally drop on a Friday before a long weekend. The first of which is that Mrs. Clinton used at least 13 mobile devices during her time at the State Department. Recall that her initial excuse for setting up the private server was that she wanted the convenience of one device. She used 13. Now, she was warned personally and explicitly on 2 occasions that doing official classified business on unsecure BlackBerries was putting sensitive information at risk. She continued to do so anyway. And now we find out today that several, an undisclosed number, but several of those BlackBerries were lost. She lost these cell phones filled with classified information that she wasn't supposed to be using in the first place. That is breathtaking, 1. And 2, this is important as well. With the timeline that is pieced together in the documents that we saw today, Hillary Clinton's team began to purge and scrub her email archives, which were under congressional subpoena at the time, a few weeks after the New York Times first reported the existence of her server. If that is not obstruction or intent, I don't know what is.